Oh, what the hell? $663,599. Oh, for fuck's sakes, how do I get rid of this? I'm gonna have to fuck that audio. Jesus Christ. So we're at Chicopee Ski Hill here in Kitchener, Ontario. And the date is March 9th. Really lovely day, especially for the people skiing. As you can see, there's quite a few people here. I don't think 30 meters is going to cut it today. I think we'll go 150 feet. $150 feet ought to do. There's the bunny hills. Locals would be more familiar with these. And go climb. Climb to stay above. I think I'm going to go more popular end down here. For all the vehicles here, there's not a lot of people on these. Well, I guess they're all gathered up there. Found them.
I can't see it.
Okay, I'm circling from the far end of the park then. In the city of Kitchener, obviously the Chicopee Hills area. And there's a chalet which is closed because of the COVID, but oh, too quick on my camera there, but sorry. You guys get the idea. Lots of fun to be had. I'll go up this hill and down the other one, just for fun. Oh, there's a hill in the back there too. Looks like the snowboarder's place. Could be wrong. Let's just do a panorama for you of Kitchener here, as seen from above Chicopee. And there's their tubing hill right there. It's on the other side from the ski hill. Nobody's tubing today by the looks of it. Yeah, there's a Grand River running by the highway. 300. So I'm going to take a quick gander over there for you. I'll head towards the tubing hill, just take a little look. Ouch. Glare. Camera shit and glare. Yeah, there's nobody tubing. It looks like there are some people down over there, though. I don't know what they'd be doing. And down these hills. That will bring it down a few feet. And there we are. There's your panoramic view of Chicopee Ski Hill. And we're coming in for our landing. We drop down fairly quickly. And always there's Jordan. And Tay's in the car. And Bella's in the car, but whatever. She's in the back. And there's me. Smiley as always. Always smiling. I'm a happy guy.
No, you're not.
I'm a happy guy.
No, you're not. Yeah, both Tay and I just said no, you don't.
You guys don't even know.
But we live with you. Oh. Hey.
Oh, I think I got 72 points. I don't know. Were you close like that?
I was about the same as what
About the same? I wasn't sure where your legs landed on the outside of it.
And mine, I was turned the other way around and I landed basically the same way.
Alright, so we both get 70.
Yep.
Now I'm going to play Pilot Wings.
Alright.